Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you all comfort features installed in this car. Let's start with the driver's doors. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can adjust side mirrors position and we can fold them electrically. Behind left side of the steering wheel we've got the panel thanks to which you can disable start-stop feature, and here we've got the auto lights. The car is equipped with cruise control and set of safety features. On the instrument cluster we can find Eco Score, navigation, and all necessary functions. Let's take a look in the center. The car has automatic transmission. Also, we can find auto hold feature and parking brake. In the center, we've got two USB ports and the power outlet. Take a look at the screen display. Screen display in Mitsubishi Grandis is equipped with CarPlay, that is wireless, and also Android Auto, that is wireless. We've got the steering wheel heating, seat heating, AC. Mitsubishi Grandis has inbuilt Google Maps and Android system, thanks to which you can download apps and use them. Next, in car, you can configure your own drive mode. You can find around view monitor with the cameras and also hands-free park assist, thanks to which the car will park autonomously. In vehicle settings, we can manage outside cockpit settings of the car, like access, welcome lights, automatic wiping, and we can edit widgets. The car is also equipped with easy access, electric seats, and sunroof. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.